Hello and welcome to the Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at the police body cam and a case where the court should have a evidentiary hearing where the body cam recording by the police was deleted. This is State versus Jones, and it was decided by the New Jersey Appellate Division. So, in this case, the court granted Shahaad Jones leave to appeal from an order denying his motion to suppress evidence. Here, a handgun and a large capacity magazine seized without a warrant from his person. The court finds the motion court erred in deciding the suppression motion without an evidentiary hearing because defendant's brief raised in accordance with the court rule 3:5-7b. It raised fact issues as to whether the warrantless search of the defendant was justified under the plain view exception to the warrant requirement. The cause also determined here the motion judge erred by concluding the statutory rebuttable presumption under the body-worn camera statute, which is 40A:14-118(5)Q, where the enforcement fails to adhere to the statutory retention requirements found under the statute for body-worn cameras, that's BWC, the recordings, or intentionally interferes with the ability to accurately capture audio and video recordings. The law presumes that exculpatory evidence was destroyed or not captured. It applies not only at trials but also at suppression hearings. The court finds the plain language of the statute did not support the motion court's determination and hold the statute expressly states that the presumption is applicable in criminal prosecutions. So the rebuttable presumption applies to suppression hearings. The court reversed the motion judge's order denying defendant's suppression motion. Didn't get a free one for the defendant. It remanded for further proceedings, including a determination whether defendant demonstrated they're entitled to a rebuttable presumption under the statute, and if so, what's the state's response. And this was the case of State versus Jones, citation 475 N.J.S.A Super 520 Appellate Division 2023. For more information on body cam and suppression motions, visit website njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.